They say a way to a man's heart is through his stomach. How much is that true? Is that true or is it not? Guys, I just made this delicious chicken stew. It just made me think, if a guy don't propose to you after eating this meal, then I don't know, because it's just full of flavor. It is just so delicious. If you'd like to know a recipe on how I made this, then let me know on the comment section below. If I do get enough of you guys asking for the recipe, then I will upload it real soon. Like, seriously, real soon, guys. Yeah, my mouth is watering now, so I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna enjoy this with some boiled rice. It's just so yummy. It's just full of flavor. Yeah, I gotta go, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.